Good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Now in today's video, we'll be looking at equation of wave in physics. Now in my other video, I talked about wave, the wave profiles. I also did, I also explained this. So if you have not checked it, you can just likely check the video I did on this wave profile before looking at this one, because I've done a lot of explanation on that video. Now in today's video, looking at the equation of wave. And what is that equation? Y equals to A sine open bracket kx minus wt. So your A stands for amplitude. This your A represents amplitude. This your K is a wave constant. It is a wave constant, which is K equals to 2 pi x over lambda. When they make use of the word lambda is a distance between two successive crests. Like I said, I've done a video on that so that I won't have to make this video way too long. This W represents your angular speed. In some places, they call it angular frequency. They are the same. So the angular speed or frequency. So your W is equals to 2 pi f. So now I want us to look at a question, a practical question under this particular equation. They said a wave is described by the equation y, open bracket, x, comma, t, which is equals to 0.5 sine, open bracket, 2 pi x minus 4 pi t. It is gotten from the equation of a traveling wave. And that is what? Y equals to A sine, open bracket, kx minus wt. Now, determine the amplitude, wavelength, frequency, and wave speed. Now, first of all, the amplitude solution. I'm going to divide my body into 2. The amplitude is 0.5 because from the equation you have y equals to A sine, open bracket, kx minus wt. This A is your amplitude. So any number that is here, just like the way it is here now, So this one now is regards what your amplitude. No, you don't need any calculation. This is your amplitude. So for A is what? 0.5. Now they said determine the wavelength. So how do we get the wavelength? Now we can get the wavelength using the wave constant, which is K. Remember your K is what? 2 pi x over lambda, right? This K, which is our wave constant, is giving us what? 2 pi x. So we have 2 pi x equals to 2 pi x over lambda. This lambda is known as wavelength. So we're meant to cross multiply. You have 2 pi x lambda equals to 2 pi x. So you're going to divide both sides by 2 pi x. Divide both sides by 2 pi x. So your lambda is equal to 1 meters. This meter is the unit for lambda. Now, that is our wavelength we have gotten. The next one is the frequency. How do we get the frequency? Now, in order for us to get the frequency, we make use of angular speed, the formula. W equals to 2 pi ft. Now, is the W given to us? Yes, this is it. Remember, don't forget, this one is amplitude. This is for your wave constant. That's what we use to get the wavelength. And this one is for your angular speed. And I'm going to use this now to get the frequency. So W equals to 2 pi ft. What is my W? 4 pi t. So you have 4 pi t equals to 2 pi ft. So this t will cancel this t. So you have 2 pi equals to 2 pi f. We need to get the frequency, so divide both sides by 2 pi. Divide both sides by 2 pi. This cancel this. So pi divided by this, 2 here 1, 2 in 4 is what? So your frequency equals to 2 hertz. Now, that is for the frequency. The formula we use to calculate the wave speed is V equals to frequency lambda. Now, we have gotten our frequency as what? 2 hertz. So we have 2 times this lambda is what? 1. So 2 times 1 will give us what? 2 meter per second. So this is our wave speed. Now hope you get it now. So whenever a question like this is given to you in exam, in a test, in a competition, don't be scared. This is exactly what you are supposed to do. Don't forget the formula. The equation of a traveling wave is y equals to a sine open bracket kx minus w t. So I'll be leaving you with this question. So this is the question. They said a wave is described by the equation y equals to 5 sine open bracket 3x minus 40. Calculate the amplitude, frequency, and the wave speed. So this is the equation of the wave. So I want you to do this and tell me your answer in the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye.